Water spots aren't surface dirt. They're mineral deposits that etch into your clear coat and get harder to remove every day you wait. I tested 7 water spot removers from Amazon on the same etched panel to find what actually dissolves them. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the Chemical Guys Water Spot Remover Gel 2-pack. This professional-grade gel formula dissolves mineral deposits and hard water stains that etch into paint, glass, chrome, and metal. The gel consistency allows for controlled application and targeted treatment on problem areas. You get 2 16-ounce bottles in this pack, providing plenty of product for comprehensive detailing. The formula works without scratching delicate clear coat finishes. However, heavier mineral buildup may require multiple applications or extended contact time. For most water spot situations, the Chemical Guys Heavy-Duty Water Spot Remover Gel 2-pack is an effective choice. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guys Water Spot Remover Gel Single. This is the same professional formula from the 2-pack, but sold as a single 16-ounce bottle at a lower price point. The gel dissolves calcium buildup and mineral staining without harming paint or clear coat. One bottle provides enough product for moderate water spot treatment on most vehicles. The professional-grade formula gives reliable results across paint, glass, chrome, and metal surfaces. However, buying single bottles means higher per-unit costs compared to the 2-pack. For budget-conscious detailers, the Chemical Guys Heavy-Duty Water Spot Remover Gel Single is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the Meguiar's Water Spot Remover. This heavy-duty formula uses a powerful abrasive composition that clears water spots and polishes the surface simultaneously. The product works fast to remove water stains and restore gloss to faded paint. The formula is clear coat safe and suitable for use after washing or following rain or sprinkler exposure. Meguiar's brings decades of automotive care expertise to this formulation. However, the abrasive approach may not suit all paint types or conditions. For polishing while removing spots, the Meguiar's Water Spot Remover is a practical choice. At number 4, we have the Turtle Wax Renew and Restore Wipes. This convenient wipe format includes 8 pre-saturated pads infused with precision abrasives for portable water spot removal. The wipes remove oxidation, paint transfer, water spots, and road grime from paint, glass, and headlight lenses. The grab-and-go format works well for quick spot treatments between full detailing sessions. Each wipe provides targeted coverage without mixing or measuring. However, wipes generate more waste than bottled products and may deplete quickly during heavy use. For convenient quick treatments, the Turtle Wax Renew and Restore Wipes is a helpful choice. At number 5, we have the Gyeon Water Spot Remover. This formula is specifically engineered for ceramic-coated vehicles, addressing mineral deposits without compromising ceramic coatings. The product protects finish and enhances gloss while removing hard water stains. Panel-by-panel application allows precise treatment of affected areas. Gyeon specializes in ceramic coating products, so this formula reflects that expertise. However, for non-coated vehicles, this premium option may offer less value than general-purpose removers. For ceramic-coated cars, the Gyeon Water Spot Remover is a specialty choice. Coming up next, we have the SPTA Heavy-Duty Water Spot Remover Gel. This budget-friendly option delivers gel formula performance at a lower price point than premium brands. The formula targets mineral and calcium buildup on paint, glass, and metal surfaces. SPTA offers multi-surface versatility in a compact 16-ounce bottle. The gel consistency provides controlled application similar to higher-priced alternatives. However, fewer user reviews and a new product status mean less long-term data on durability and effectiveness. For value-conscious buyers, the SPTA Heavy-Duty Water Spot Remover Gel is an economical choice. The last one on our list is the Malok Car Scratch Remover with Nano Sparkle Magic Cleaning Cloth. This innovative cloth-based solution combines nanotechnology with a specialized cleaning cloth for water spot and minor scratch removal. The multifunction design addresses water spots along with light paint imperfections and minor scratches. The included cloth applicator eliminates the need for separate tools. The nanotechnology provides enhanced cleaning properties. However, cloth-based removal may not match gel formula performance on heavy mineral buildup. For a multi-purpose nano solution, the Malok Car Scratch Remover with Nano Sparkle Magic Cleaning Cloth is a versatile choice. That covers our top 7 water spot removal options. From gel formulas to convenient wipes and specialty ceramic-coated options, these products restore clarity and gloss to your paint finish. Subscribe for more testing and comparisons of detailing products.